Bubble him.
I will. But I gotta gain his trust first.
Oh, yes.
You have to manipulate your cats properly.
Abuser.
Zeely! Max, Max. Max, Hitty. Max.
They don't know their own names.
He's like, no.
Bubbles. Deathly afraid of Bubbles. Come down here and bubble him.
We just did twice. Max.
Dun, dun, dun. Your bubble powers suck. Am I in your way, or are you going to be able to get out okay?
You may want to go ahead and
Bubbles.
pull forward.
No. You had your chance. Bubbles. It's so huge.
Hi.
Don't. You're such a girl.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, it died.
There's still bubbles sitting on the grass, too.
And that's pointy grass, too.
I don't know why he's so scared
Hello.
of bubbles.